Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen aromas. Today I'll be making coconut milk burfi. Before that, please like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. Heat the pan and add 2 cups of freshly grated coconut and dry roast it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of milk, mix well. Add 1 cup of sugar. Let this cook in a medium heat until it becomes slightly thick. In this stage, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix everything well. One teaspoon of cardamom powder. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, which gives extra flavor and texture. Mix well until it is well combined and thick. Once it is done, transfer this to a bowl, spread it and press it evenly. Finally, garnish with almonds on top and make pieces. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates and notifications. Bye.